Hi guys. So, I'm packing up for Japan. So, it's my first trip to Japan. Later at 2 a.m. What time is it now? It's already past 12. So, hindi pa ako tapos sa pag-pack up. Kasi nagaya pa yung mga kaibigan ko to have a shot. So, nag-ayos ako ng gamit ko. And hopefully wala akong makalimutan. Dahil na ako sa big na maleta kaso may nakalimutan ako. So, kailangan kong i-open agad. Ito malagay ng gamit. So, it's my first time going to Japan after a long time. Last na trip ko was before pandemic pa. And now it's already 2024. I mean last na out of country trip. I think it's Bali pa yata yung last na napunta. And now I'm going sa out of country trip. And first stop is in Japan. Buti na lang na-approve yung visa natin. So we're going. I'm done fixing, so kailangan ko na lang mag-ayos ng gamit. I should bring itong... Ano pa ba? Ay! Hindi ko nadala yung gamit ng isa. So I'm going to use this bag. Where's my glasses? My glasses. Anyway, so yun. Tatapusin ko na lang. I need to get a nap. And then see you later sa airport. Going to Japan. Bye!
Ido-document tayo.
Hi! Ready na ako mag-vlog.
Paano yung Zoom? Eh, ba't nung last time ginanon ko ayaw?
Soft touch.
May ipipress ka pa bago. Pag zoom out. Uy! Sa akin nung last time ayaw.
Hi guys. Punta na kami Japan. Kasama ko to. So ano walang gagawin natin?
Magdadun
To Don Quixote. Let's buy facial wash.
Yes. Para sa skin mo.
Yes. May mali po ba sa may mali ba sa skin?
Tatawagan namin si Joe. Joe, siya dito sa
Jowash, dito na kami.
Hindi lang tawagan siya na.
Sorry naman.
Sorry, Faust.
Hi guys, we're now in Japan. So, kakalabas lang namin ng airport. And we are now going to ride in a bus. Hoy! So, kasama ko sila mother, si Father Yuli, and si Janine. Ang init ng araw dito, but the temperature here is mga around 15. So, yan guys. Pupunta kami sa bus station na sasakyan namin. Hi! Welcome to Japan. Hi Sir Yuli. Konnichiwa. Sayon. Mother Jeannie, hi!
Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin.
Hi guys. So, we're in Japan.
And then with my vlogger friend in his vlogger era.
This is my...
In his most vloggerist era.
Wait for my vlog. It will be out next week. Next year. Starting. This is my launching. Launching in Japan.
Soft launching.
Soft launching. Let's...
Sino na next song?
So our next song is Watashi wasta. Watashi wasta. Let's take a video. So, how was your trip from Manila?
How was it? I slept the whole time.
Guys, tinatawag kami.
Tinatawag na kami. Char,
Tinatawag. Iwag mo. Too early. Tapos. Too early. Magsha-shopping pa kami ng mga budget namin for next year. Wait, challenge natin. Dapat wala kang mabili.
Oo, yes, I will.
Pag may nabili ka, alam na.
Anong gagawin ko? Time ko siya.
No. Jangnan tayo.
Ay!
Hotpot.
Oh, sige. Game ako dyan.
Pero feeling ko may mabibili ka. Jojoin tayo kay mother.
I'll try my patience.
Yeah. Mother.
Mother.
Sa ano? Masaya yung mga kasama ko. Buti na lang. Oh. Hindi, pinakakontihan. Pakontihan ng shopping. Ayan. Daddy, ano daw masasabi mo? Ano daw masasabi mo sa biyaheng ito?
Lasang bubble gum.
Leseng Bebel Game. Lalo enrolled ka na sa AIM. Thank you.
Thank you, Kateki.
Ano?
Thank you, Kateki.
Bakit ka turkey?
Kateki?
Kateki?
Hindi ko kilala yan. Si Kateki.
Oo. Yun pala yun. Hello, Kateki.
Guys, magkakateki po si Janine dito.
Okay, so now we're in the bus. I'm gonna buy the chairs. And I wanna buy a lot of water for my trip mates. Yes, it's Kateki. Say hi to Kateki. Thank you, Kateki.
Ako pala yung Kateki. Visit.
Hindi si Katengko. Oh, see, I already gave you the bottles of water. Thank you, Kateki.
Thank you, Kateki.
But then also, each one of you in front got a plastic bag, right? So this purpose for please put all the garbage in a plastic bag. Then please don't leave at the bus. Please bring back to the hotel. Very beautiful. Like kind of top. That's the tallest, highest mountain in Japan. Fujisan, Mount Fuji. Sometimes, in good weather, you can over from Mount Fuji to Tokyo 2 hours. I mean, compared to traveling this another 150 kilometers.
Hi guys. Hi mother. We're here in Japan. Walking lang muna kasi wala kaming gagawin.
Balak pang mamili.
Oo. Waiting lang kami Akit tayo mother. Kaya magna.
Yeah.
So, andito kami ngayon sa Sunshine City in Toshima. So, walk lang while waiting for our dinner time at 6:20 p.m. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga Ayan. Sabi kasi ng boyfriend ng kapatid ko, mag-video lang daw ako. Mag-vlog lang daw ako.
Yeah.
Tapos siya na mag-edit. Ang ganda. Dapat, alam mo, ang romantic dito pag andito si
Oo nga.
Andito kami sa Sunshine City. It's nice outside. Medyo cold lang. It's around 15, I think. 15 degrees. Hi guys. So, ngayon, what time is it? It's already 8 p.m. Dito sa Tokyo, Japan. Supposedly, lalabas to walk around. Pero, I feel under the weather. So, pahinga muna ako para I have energy tomorrow. Kasi, it's the start of our study tour. Pupunta kami ng Canon. So, ayun. Kaya dito lang ako sa room ngayon. I'm watching K-drama. And at the same time, inayos ko lang yung insurance ng kapatid ko. Yeah. May roommate ako, pero nasa baba pa. And I'm sick talaga. Feeling ko uubuhin ako and then I have sipon. So yun, I might go to sleep early tonight. Okay, see you tomorrow on our day 2 in Tokyo, Japan. Bye!